Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have two people that needed something translated. And the very first person that needed something translated was Erica. Erica, thanks again for reaching out. And these are the things that Erica wanted to know. The very first thing that she wanted to know was, can I walk to the market? Is it far? Again, can I walk to the market? Is it far? I'm going to break that into two. I'll translate can I walk to the market, and also break down, or should I say translate, is it far in Chi, right? So, can I walk to the market in Chi is metumi ananti ako edwam. Again, metumi ananti ako edwam. One last time, metumi ananti ako edwam. Now the second part, which is it far, can literally be said in three ways if you choose to, right? You can say ewa, meaning is it far, or ekwainua, or ewachiri. Again, so you can say ewa, ekwainua, or ewachiri. One last time, ewa, or ekwainua, which is the road far, or the distance far, or ewachiri, meaning that place is far away. So again, if I were to say the whole sentence, I would say metumi ananti ako edwam ekwainua. The next thing that Erica wanted to know was, how can I get an Uber? Again, how can I get an Uber? Now that in Tree can be said as meye deng etumi enya Uber. Slower, meye deng etumi enya Uber. Or you can say trotro. Trotro is like taxi, but seeing that you said Uber, I'm just using Uber. Again, meye deng etumi enya Uber. The next thing that Erica wanted to know was, I need help. Again, I need help. And now that in Tree can be said as mishia moi. Again, mishia moi. So if somebody says mishia or mihia, whichever way you pronounce it, it means I need you. Moi is help. So you can say mihia moi or mishia moi. Whichever way you actually pronounce it, that's still fine. The next thing that Erica wanted to know was, where is a doctor? Again, where is a doctor? Now that in Tree can be said as ehena oyaresafo wo. Again, ehena oyaresafo wo. One last time, ehena oyaresafo wo. So if you say ehena, what you're asking is where is, or where about is, right? Oyaresafo is literally translated in English is a person that cures sicknesses or diseases, which in turn is a doctor. Or you can use our adopted word for doctor, which is dokota. So you can say ehena dokotawo. Again, ehena dokotawo. Or you can say ehena oyaresafo wo. Now the last thing that Erica wanted to know was, how much does this cost? Again, how much does this cost? Now that in Tree can be said as we boyahe. Again, weibo ye ahe. One last time, weibo ye ahe. Slower, weibo ye ahe. Erica, thanks again for your support. I really appreciate it. And concerning the app, I think you said that the app doesn't work on your phone. Chances are it's the model of your phone, right? If you could just send me the type of phone that you're using and the model, then I'll try and make an adjustment, and I'll push it back up. Or if you want, I can send it directly through to you, right? Thanks again for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Now the next person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, as always, thank you for your support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. So Daniel wanted to know the difference, or how one would say suffering and hardship in Tree. Again, suffering and hardship. So suffering in Chi is rebre. Again, suffering is rebre. Suffering, rebre. Hardship, or hardship like you wanted, right? Hardship in Chi is ahunchre. Again, hardship is ahunchre. So suffering, rebre. Hardship, ahunchre. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, you came to do what? Again, you came to do what? Now that in Tree can be said as wuba se wubeye deng. Again, wuba se wubeye deng. Slower, wuba se wubeye deng. One last time, wuba se wubeye deng. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, why are you coming here so late? And I'm guessing, okay, I guess he left out the R. So why are you coming here so late? Again, why are you coming here so late? Now that in Tree can be said as nientia wuriba fie achre sa. Again, nientia wuriba fie achre sa. One last time, nientia Ureba fie achre sa. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, I don't have time for that. Again, I don't have time for that. Now that in Twi can be said as mini bre ma eno. Again, mini bre ma eno. One last time. Mini bre ma eno. Slower. Mini bre ma eno. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, that is scary. Again, that is scary. Now that in Twi can be said as eno yehu. Again, eno yehu. One last time. Eno yehu. Slower. Eno yehu. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why are you so scared? Again, why are you so scared? Now that in Twi can be said as adenti na usrosa. Again, adenti na usrosa. Slower. Adenti na usrosa. One last time. Adenti na usurosa. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was keep. So Daniel wanted to know what keep is. Keep literally in Twi can be kura. Now in this sense, if I say keep it in a sense of hold it, or just hold it, in Twi kura means hold something, which could also mean keep. Keep can also mean fa in Twi. If I say hold this in Twi, that is fa adie, or som, which is also hold. So keep can be fa or kura or som, which is hold, depending on the context in which you're actually saying keep, right? Now, I think Daniel also wanted to know what keep it is. If you say keep it in a sense of somebody keeping a secret, one would say fasie, which is like fadienusie, which is hide that thing, which is keep it, right? Or fa again, as I said, fa can also represent keep. Keep it. If I say fadie, which is keep this thing or take this thing, same thing, right? The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, let me see. Again, let me see. Now that in Twi can be said as maminshe. Again, maminshe. One last time. Maminshe. Slower. Maminshe. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, check one more time. Again, check one more time. Now that in Twi can be said as shebio, which literally translated is look again. Shebio, which is look again. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, let me try one more time. Again, let me try one more time. Now that in Twi can be said as mamemo modinbio. Again, mamemo modinbio. Slower. Mamemo modinbio. One last time. Mamemo modinbio. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, when you're coming, bring a lot. Again, when you're coming, bring a lot. Now that in Twi can be said as brea urebano fabebrebra. Again, brea urebano fabebrebra. One last time. Brea urebano fabebrebra. So if I say brea urebano, I'm saying the time that you're coming, fa, bring, bebre, a lot, bra, come with. So again, brea urebano fabebrebra. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, he has an evil heart. Again, he has an evil heart. Now that in Twi can be said as owo kuma bone. Again, owo kuma bone. Literally translated, I'm saying the person has a bad heart, which in turn can mean the person has an evil heart. Owo kuma bone. Sorry guys, it's late, so I'm guessing I'm probably not showing properly because the lighting here is very poor. That's it for this week's lesson, guys. Remember, if you love the content of the channel, right, click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. Remember, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Erica, Daniel, thanks again for your continued support, guys. With lots of love from me, Kdei. Bye.